evening, guys. Good evening, Lord. Happy Sabbath. So, Lord, thank you again, Lord, for another day, another blessings. I am almost 3 weeks na. Next Wednesday, maybe sa Australia. And thankful kay Lord, no? In spite of mga struggles. Here, di wala obra. Still looking for a job. But hopefully, no, makakita kita. Just keep on going, keep on praying. Hindi tanan hapos, even if I ka sa Australia. So, start pa lang ta. But I know na hindi kita babayan ni Lord. So, tomorrow, ma-church ta. Thank you kay Lord, no, in spite of the challenges na ginatubang ta every day. Still thankful kay Lord na we are still alive. Okay pa tayo, guys, no? Pagkain pa tayo kahit pa paano. Okay, so again, guys, keep moving forward. Padayon ng God bless. Happy and blessed weekend. Let's go.